Hi everyone, my name is Amrik. I'm a customer success manager with Ardoq, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to use dashboard filters. So dashboard filters allows you to filter down your overall dashboard based upon a predetermined criteria. So we have a dashboard here where we have total number of applications. We also have applications going end of life, as well as some dashboard widgets based on application ownership, showing applications that are unowned, how many are owned, and so on. And you'll see we already have some preset dashboard filters. So I'm going to show you how to add some new ones. The dashboard filters we have are based upon departments, so we can see the exact same information, but by a specific department. So in this sense, it was corporate office, or by application owner. So we can filter, if I'm Bertram, I can go in and then filter down to my own applications. If you go to the top right hand side here and click on edit, then you'll see we get this option to add a new dashboard filter. So I'm going to add a dashboard filter based upon hosting type. So I'm going to give this a name, hosting type, create, and then it asks you to link charts. So it asks you to link which charts you want to connect to. So I'm just going to start by choosing this one, the total number of applications. Each dashboard widget is based upon a report that is behind it. So now what it does is that opens up the report behind it, where you can then select which field you would like to connect to. So in this case, I want to choose hosting type here. So I select the column, which was hosting type, and then I'm going to save that. It then asks me if I want to connect some other charts. So it's found the other charts that can also be connected. So I'm going to link those as well, and you'll see now, you can see which ones have been linked here. And then I'm going to select done. Before I select save, I'm going to add another one. So it might be the case that we want to be able to filter this based upon reference or relationship type. So we've got two of those examples here with application owner and department. I'm going to choose the application expert. So we may want our application experts to be able to go in and see just their applications. So now I'm going to link chart again, set it up, and we'll see application expert. So now I'm going to choose that one, application expert, and then save, and then link the charts again and select done. And now I'm going to save in the top right hand side, and we can now see, once I view the dashboard, we've added two dashboard filters here, one based upon a field and one based upon a relationship. So we can now go in and see just our on-premise applications, or alternatively, if you're the subject matter expert in an application, you go in and then see just the applications that you are the expert in. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much, and check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Thank you.